Hello, people. Today, I'm going to show you a quick little toot on how to add images into your Google Classroom Hyperdoc. So I've had a couple people saying that they're having issues with this. I just want to make sure that everyone is on the same page, whatever class you're in for me, whether you're in financial, algebra 2, or pre-calc. So this is a Google Classroom page. This is my algebra 2 period 3, and we're just going to go into an assignment that I've posted. And then you guys will see the instructions, right? And then you click on this, and that's how you get to your Hyperdoc that we have. So you go through, you find your directions, all that jazz, and sometimes there are spots where I want you to enter a screenshot of something or a image of your work. So like, for example, here it says insert work here after you take an image of your work. So I'm going to hit enter. You could highlight this and completely get rid of that. But something I suggest that you guys do actually is if you have Google Photos, it's super easy to insert a photo. So what you can do is download the app on your phone, make sure you sign in with your school email, and any photos that you take on your cell phone, you can automatically back up to Google Photos and it will import it super quickly. So for example, if you have that set up, you can click the insert button, go over to image, and you'll scroll down and you'll see that there's a button that says photos. That uploads directly from Google Photos. So if I click that, we will see the Google Photos I've recently uploaded, right? My work. Say I wanted this one to go in, and I'll just click insert. And voila, there's my work, right? But say you don't have Google Photos set up, or maybe you're thinking that might be a little bit too hard. Oops, I don't want to do that. That might be a little more difficult, or maybe your phone isn't supporting Google Photos, or whatever reason. What you can always do too is send the image from your cell phone to your student email. So I've sent an image to my email, and here it is. And what you do is you can right click the image, and this button at the top right that looks like an arrow pointing down into like some sort of file thing, that's to download. So you could download this file, and you should see it pops up on the bottom of your screen here. And what you would do then is go back to your Hyperdoc, and over here you can either drag and drop your image and it pops right in there, or if for whatever reason that thing goes away and you don't have it, you can click insert, you can click image and upload from computer, and usually like mine automatically goes to downloads or wherever it was saved, and you could click that image, click open, and voila, it uploads into your Hyperdoc as well. So that's a little tutorial on how to upload images into your Google Docs when I ask you to show your work. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this was helpful for you, and I also hope you guys have a fantastic day. Catch you later. Peace.